Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program that asks the user for a number of years as a input and then prints the number of days, hours, minutes and seconds. So our input is number of years, output is number of days, hours, minutes and seconds for the entire year. We'll see the demo. First I'm going to get the input from the user. I'm going to declare the variable years input. Underscore input is my variable name equal to integer of input of enter the number of years is my input. Now I'm going to create some constants for conversion. Constants for conversion. First, days in year. So 1 year we are having a 365 days. This is a constant. Second, hours in day. So we have 24 hours for a day. That's why I'm initializing 24. Next, minutes. Minutes in hour. For 1 hour, we are having 60 minutes. So this variable I'm initializing 60. Next, seconds in minute. For a minute, we are having a 60 seconds. So I'm initializing 60. So days in a year is a variable. I'm initializing 365 days because for a year we are having a 365 days. Hours in a day, I'm initializing 24. For a 1 day, we are having a 24 hours. Minute in seconds, I'm initializing 60. For 1 hour, we are having a 60 minutes. Seconds in minute, I'm initializing 60. For 1 minute, we are having a 60 seconds. Next, we are going to perform the our main logical part, that is conversion. Conversion of years to days, hours, minutes and seconds. Convert years to days, hours, minutes and seconds. Days equal to, I am taking the years input where I obtain the number of years from the user multiplied with, I am taking the constant days in a year. So number of years into days in a year, which gives the number of days for the number of years given as a input by the user. Next, hours equal to the days which I calculated multiplied with the constant hours in a day. That means I am getting a number of days in the variable days that is multiplied with hours in a day, which gives the number of hours in a years, which is given by the user as an input. Next, minutes. Minutes equal to hours. Number of hours multiplied with minutes in hour, which gives the number of minutes of the number of years which is given as a input by the user. Next, seconds equal to the minutes which is calculated multiplied with seconds in minute. Seconds in minute. Next, I'm going to display the result. Display the result. So I'm printing, print. First I have to print the number of days. So I'm printing the day variable days followed by the string which says days. Days is a string, number of days followed by the string days. Next I am printing hours, the number of hours calculated, followed by the string hours. It says how many hours. Next I am printing the minutes I have calculated, comma, minutes, minutes. Next I am printing Next I am printing print the value in the variable seconds followed by a string seconds. So I am printing days, hours, minutes and seconds. Now I save the program and execute it. We check the result. Enter the number of years. I am giving as a 5 years as an input which contains 1825 days, 43,800 hours, 262,800 minutes, 1576840 seconds. So the program is working properly. In this video, we have discussed the Python program which obtain the number of years as an input, which converts the years into number of days, hours, minutes and seconds. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.